Hey, what's up guys, it's Vineet and you're watching My Next Best. In this video we've got the Fine Elements portable 4-litre water cooler. This is something that you obviously need, and you probably need this now given it's getting quite hot in London, especially in the southern part of United Kingdom or England perhaps. Anyway, this is something that we've got for the unboxing today, and this is probably going to help us get us safe from the heat wave. And I'm going to quickly do the unboxing. Just so you know, I've got a slightly damaged box, but it's packed, which is great. And on the box we've got nothing much really. Remote control. This is the remote operated version. There's another version that's 44 quid without the remote. This is 52 quid, and this is all plastic body. You can add 4 litres of water. There's a water tank at the bottom. It says cooler, humidify functions, free speed, fan adjustment, strong air, honeycomb cooling pad, and timer function up to 7 hours, ice pack included. So you can also add ice pack to make it even cooler. So okay, so I'm going to just quickly do the unboxing. Just give you the unboxing experience of this cooler. Shouldn't be quick. It's going to be the unit itself pretty much straight out of the box. So what do we have? We've got a protective cover, and the cooler itself, it's not too big, it's quite small, and inside you've got some items, the cable and the remote. There are the blocks, wheels, 3 wheels with the 4th one. Oh, there's the 4th one here. 4 wheels, and sorry about that. Oops. Okay, forming again. Let me just adjust the mic. My apologies. And we've got the manual, and you've got the remote. So here's the manual, and here's the remote. Let's get the remote and leave the manual out. It's a standard remote. I don't know why they've charged so much for this. This is the guide. We've got Fine Elements in the user manual. Portable cooler, reading information, some information about safety, symbols, and things like that, recycling information, and some information about the cooler. At the top you've got some controls. You've got the wings, and you've got 4-litre water tank at the bottom. We've got the attachable wheels at the bottom. We've got number 11 is the ice bottle, and we've got the remote, and we've got number 2 is the air filter, rear air filter, and number 3 is cooling pad, which is the rear cooling pad. And these controls are pretty much mentioned here: cooler, swing, timer, wind, speed, on and off. Those are the buttons there, and you can connect it via the cable, UK plug, and things like that. Replacing the battery with the remote, and yeah, much mentioned. Probably 1 year warranty. I think my best guess is 1 year warranty. And this is the remote, and you can pull this thing out and you can start to use this. There's already a battery inserted in that. That's called the lithium-ion cell. I think 3 volts. Wind, speed, swing, cooler, timer, on, off. Pretty straightforward. There's nothing really to explain on that. This is the cooler, and obviously the wheels, the 4 wheels, one of which is this, and there's the other 3 right here. And this is the ice bottles. You can pull these up and put this straight in the cooler. Okay, let's just open the cooler. Where's my knife? Yeah. Okay, let's take this out. Let's see what we've got. For 52 quid. Probably it's quite cheap, but it's a bit reasonable because you can get something. Well, actually, it's a competitive price, 52 quid for the water cooler. Anyway, but this is what you get. At the top, you've got the controls, as you can see. 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, so you can add the timer. This is the power button. No, I don't know what this is, but this is the power button. You can. It's feels quite cheap. I think I'll probably be better off using the remote, which also feels quite cheap, to be honest. This is the very the on-off button feels really bad. But this is what you got for 52 quid. Plastic, all the plastic casing, the whole frame is plastic, and this is also sort of a little bent on this side as compared with the other side. So, well, I don't like this. But this is what you have. You've got the water cooler, which probably opens from the rear. Add some water in there, fill it up, and this pipe thing is going to be staying on there, and it's going to use the water and pump it up to the top, and you can get good, nice, cool air from these wings that you've got. And I don't want to move these over, but if you can see this, I don't know if you can. Yes, you can, and you can manually move these ones, and these are the ones that would auto rotate. Well, these days coolers are quite expensive. 52 quid for this. This is a bit of a junk, to be honest. But yeah, this is not even, you can't even lock the water the storage tank at the back. It's just going to stay as is. The final elements, this is the branding at the top, and let's turn it around and let me show you the back. You've got this, oh, okay, you can lock it. Obviously you can lock it. So if you can see, I've got this, you can turn this and this gets locked. But that's quite simple, but this is what you want. This is the UK plug. So it's got its own fused UK plug. Good. And the cable is almost about a metre and a half. And what else? You can hold it like this, and then you can move it around. And you've got the 4 wheels. Sorry. What else on the back? You've got this grill and things, and this is pretty much it. At the bottom, let's have a look what you've got at the bottom. At the bottom, you've got the place for 4 wheels, and this seems to be a broken part from something anyway. But we have to sort of look at what we've got here. Let's connect, let's put the wheels on, a push, and that's it, done. And same for the other 3, push and ready to go. And for the 4th one as well. And we've got it all wheeled up. Now it can move where we want it to move. That's good. And you might want to connect it to the power. Let's have a look. Okay, let's connect it to power and have a look at this device. Okay, let me just pick it up, and perhaps I'll just connect it to one of the power cables on the power inlet. Okay, let's have a look. Just going to quickly do this. You've got the connected thing on, and this is not turned on, and I'm going to probably just, how do we start? On. And that's how it's turned on. It's a bit slow at the moment, and you can just get this to the highest level. This is the highest level. Well, literally, to be honest, it's just it's crap. And if you want to swing, you can see this swinging, hopefully very soon. And yeah, this is swinging now. Oh, it's good. I mean, for the price, well, 52 quid is probably a bit of a dash. But yeah, that's what we have for 52 quid. In this summer, the fan's pretty good, and I think when you've added some cold water, probably ice as well, it's going to be much better. So that's the swing function, and you can stop the swing function. You can press the cooler. I think that's going to turn on the motor. I'm going to turn it off for now because I've got no water in here. And you can also add timer. Press this 2 hours, 4 hours, or 3 hours. Oh, that's the combination. So 7 at the max, and you can just turn all of it off. And then normal, nature, sleep. This is a bit of a slower fan. Turn it off. Oh, it's going to be normal. And the fan speed can also be managed at the top. So that's all the buttons at the top, and you can obviously move this because it's got the wheels. This is how it looks at the back. It's connected to the power source, and that's pretty much it. That's it. If you have any questions or queries with regards to this product, do let me know. Do put them in the comment section below. I'll get back to those as soon as I possibly can. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my next best. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next best. Take care. Cheers. Bye.